Have you been to Costco recently? Well, the toilet paper's gone again. It's just amazing to me, but we are better than that, and we're going to talk about it right here. Hey, Provident Preppers, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Kylene, and it has begun. To our friends that have been in the path of the hurricane, we love you. We are praying for you. We are so proud of the way that you have handled this incredibly difficult situation. And then for the rest of us, we have a new challenge.
The dock strike is on, and we don't know what's going to happen with this. It might be short-lived, it might be long-lived, but whatever it is, we're preppers and we're okay.
Now is our time to be part of the solution.
That's right, it's our time to shine. And the whole toilet paper thing, I don't get it. We've been through this over and over. I don't understand. I don't know if we need to get our minds out of the toilet or what, but it just astounds me that it's happening again.
Now, we are just fine because we have prepared, right? But last night, we volunteer on Wednesday nights, and a couple came in and was telling us that all of the toilet paper is gone from both Sam's Club and Costco, and that they had taken the last two things of ground beef. Why toilet paper? I have no idea. But at this point, if you're worried about the toilet paper, I would recommend that you get an inexpensive bidet and put it on your toilet. $30, and it might only be cold water, but let me tell you, I love my bidet.
Preppers are such a blessing to society because when there's plenty, we stock up, and when there's not, we let others have it. We don't want to be in that fight. We let them get what they need. That's why we are such a blessing to society.
So now is not the time to stock up. We've made that clear. Right now is the time to work together, to move forward in faith and in love, and not to let fear drive us. Because when you hear this, when you hear, oh, the toilet paper is gone, doesn't it make you think, oh, I need to go get toilet paper? No. But this might be a good time for us to think about things that maybe we should have bought that we haven't yet. For instance, one of the things I was thinking about was the hybrid lights. Man, I would not want to go into a long-term situation and without electricity and not have my solar lighting. There are a few things like that that you might want to think of. We're not hoarding, but we're just buying selective items that may be a blessing in our life that we might have put off.
Another way that we are a blessing to society is because we're good people, we share. If we have something and our neighbor needs something, let's share. I mean, we don't have to put ourselves in jeopardy, but generally we're not. We're just helping them out. And maybe that sends a message to them that maybe they want to be a little more like us. Pretty cool, huh?
And as life gets more and more challenging, which we really believe it will, the better relationships we have with our friends and neighbors, and the more we work together, the more we are all going to thrive. Now, another one of the things that we are doing is we have our garden, and it's fall and it's harvest time. And sometimes it gets so busy at the end of the year that some of the produce might go to waste and end up in the compost pile. Well, now is a really good time to make sure that we're focusing on preserving everything that we can so that we have those resources available to us.
God bless us all to love each other, to help each other, to be part of the solution, which you are, and we appreciate that. We love you. Thanks for being part of the solution.